Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to convert PDF to PPT presentation with AI. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I would like to convert my PDF into PPT. So this is my presentation over here. So with the text, I just want to convert this entire text into a PPT presentation. So what I have to do here, so this is a simple text with the points over there, so I just want to convert the entire things into a presentation. What I have to do here, and simple and easiest website I would like to introduce to you, so that is fictic. So .aa. So I have given the description link. Just click the link. That link will direct you to the fictic.aa. So it will create amazing AI videos and presentation, so to generate different types of presentation with that. So without sign in or log in or sign up, just drag and drop your files, that is your PDF. I just want to upload my presentation, so I just click here for the text format of my thing. So automatically the files will be uploading in your site, that is fict.a. so once it's uploaded over here, so my presentation uploaded over here, so create a presentation on cultural communication and concept to generate. Just click here to generate. Automatically it will take a few seconds to generate your entire text, convert into a presentation or video. So you can able to see this beautiful presentation and video without any other delay. So I was impressed quite, so that whatever content I have, so if I want to present to the clients, means automatically I used to go into fictic AI, so that it will be generate fast and easiest to have things. So to generate ads, videos and slideshow from text or document for free, so entire things will be free. So give a simple minute and just wait a minute, so automatically it will generating your entire presentation. Yes, as you see here, so my presentation is ready, so I can able to see the presentation. So this is the video with my shorts video will be available. So if I want, I can download over here, so I can able to see here as a video. So this is my video, culture communication concept, so that I can play and see.
Welcome to our
So
exploration of
with the
cultural
text,
communication
automatically it will
concepts,
adding over here.
the heartbeat
Yes, as you see here. Yes, now I just want to take this one as a presentation. What I have to do here, just click this one, the PPT will be there. Just click here to PPT. So my concept is convert a text into a PPT. So Microsoft PowerPoint is ready, so I can able to see a full screen view also, so will be available. So I can able to see this one. So my concept is ready, so 9 slides is there. Just click here for the next slide, so automatically it will generate next slides. So with the concept of all type of things will be there in a slide wise, so I can able to say whatever text over there. So with the cultures, communication, culture dimensions and non-verbal co-culture and time, everything will be there as a content. As you see, non-verbal communication, co-culture and time presentation, so everything will be there, so you can able to see this one. So non-verbal communication means what is that, and understanding co-culture, everything with the proper image it is adding over here. So you can able to see, you can able to present, you can able to print. This is a beautiful website with a free, so that's why I want to suggest for the students or teachers or any other professionals, you can use to prepare your presentation within a single click with your PPT presentation or with your text or PDF or Word. You can upload the file, you can convert the presentation and you can enjoy your presentation. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.